Jamaicans love food, and we take pleasure in creating meals that are not only delicious but also healthy and satisfying. From infusing dishes with local herbs and spices to special cooking methods, mealtime is usually delightful. Many of our recipes have been passed on to us from our ancestors, and along with them, a few amusing food myths that border on superstitions. Let us now take a look at 8 food myths Jamaicans still believe.
Delete Jamaica.
Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.
Number 1. Lobsters scream when being boiled. Lobster lovers may have been side-eyeing this myth even before it was disproved. Lobsters do not have throats or vocal cords, making it impossible for them to scream. While there is a distinct sound when the lobster is placed in hot water, this is attributed to ear expanding and the rushing from the lobster's body. Number 2. Making that special pot of stew peas for your lover will bond him or her to you. The things that people do for love. Both Jamaican men and women widely enjoy stew peas. However, men who believe this myth are a little cautious about eating it unless cooked at a restaurant or by their mothers. Today, the dynamics of relationships have changed so much that we believe this myth has outlived its time. Number 3. Eating coconuts give you shortness of breath. Jamaicans may have heard this myth a lot, and we're sure it hasn't stopped them from finding many other exciting ways to include coconuts in recipes. From coconut bake to coconut sweetbread, coconut fudge, and a selection of coconut-infused drinks, we think a lot of people have already dispelled this myth. Number 4. Washing your face repeatedly with rice water will cause you to see ghosts. Growing up in Jamaica, it is not uncommon to hear ghost stories as a child. Many of those stories were told to scare children or just for fun. We believe this myth about seeing ghosts is one of those stories. We know that many of us are daring and may want to try a rice water face wash, but are you sure you are ready to see ghosts? Number 5. A pregnancy food craving that is not satisfied can result in a birthmark on the baby. This myth is still debatable. It is very common to hear Caribbean mothers and their offsprings speak about birthmarks and how the child got them. To give a bit more information on this myth, it is said that if the mother wants a particular food item, for example an apple, a mango, or a chicken, but cannot get it, wherever she touches or scratches on her body will become the site of the birthmark for her child. We are side-eyeing this myth since this is just not the case for a lot of women. Number 6. Sea moss or Irish moss is an aphrodisiac. Sea moss has many valuable health benefits for both men and women. Throughout the Caribbean, Irish moss has been touted as a natural sexual enhancer for men. We're treating this as a myth since there's not a lot of scientific data to support it. However, we're a little on the fence with disproving it, as most men are confident that it works. Also, sea moss' undeniable health benefits make us want to applaud those who use it and encourage others to try it. Number 7. Coffee stunts your growth. Whoever came up with this myth may not have been a fan of drinking coffee. We're not mad at them, since they may have been more of a tea person. When it comes to our height, our genetic makeup and nutrition help determine how tall we are. This doesn't mean that our teenage coffee lovers should go wild, because coffee contains caffeine and high doses of it can cause restlessness, anxiety, insomnia, and headaches. Number 8. It is okay to eat food that has fallen to the ground once it has been retrieved. in 5 seconds. This is one myth that needs to be abolished and fast. Germs can quickly contaminate food that has fallen to the ground or other unclean surfaces. Research done by the American Society for Microbiology has indicated that wet food can make the transfer of germs happen in a second. While adults are more likely to avoid doing this 5-second rule themselves, we must encourage our children to also stop it. I hope you found these food myths informative and that you share them with others. Do you know of any other food myths? Let me know in the comment section down below. And please check out our next video coming up on the channel about Jamaican medical myths. If you're still here with me, type the word stew peas in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.
Jamaica. Don't forget to drop a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.